guys, it's Swags with Ironman 4x4 America. In today's lesson, I will be addressing T-Box, Land Cruiser 80 series, and 105s if you have them, drop boxes for your radius arms. If you have one of these trucks, you know that as you raise your truck up, the main problem is your radius arm, the higher you go, it ends up basically lowering your steering link into the top of the radius arm, and it sucks, and it scrapes. Imagine this is where your stock radius arm ties into on your frame. It swings like that. This bracket moves it down, lowering where the radius arm ties in. This distance here lowers it away from your steering link so it doesn't rub anymore. Gives you 3.5 degrees caster correction. It also moves, actually the front of the truck was that way, moves your wheelbase forward 15 millimeters. And that's important because as you raise a truck, your wheelbase actually kind of like swings back in, kind of tucks back in. So a lot of guys, when you're running, 35s on your 80, it rubs on the back side of your fenders. And you don't want that. They're super heavy duty, corrosion resistant, electrostatic powder coated. All the welds on these things are heavy duty. Crush sleeves, they are not light. These are a nice piece of gear. So if you want to check them out, go to Ironman4x4America.com. You can follow us on the tubes, the Facebooks, the Instagrams, all those things. Come check them out.